All right. Good morning,
All right.
everyone.
Good
Good morning,
morning.
chat. So let's give a warm welcome to Joseph, which is with us today, breaking down the charts, doing some great stuff, talking about the markets. Good morning, Bushido. Good morning, chat.
Good morning, guys. Glad to be on here again. Let's
Yeah, that's
see.
amazing.
Yeah, let's see if we get something, man. Haven't traded New York in a long time, so let's see.
That's great. That's great. Thanks for coming here today. So let's make
Of
sure we
course.
have a great stream. And at the end of the stream, we will see if Abby would like to give us a giveaway or not. In the middle of the stream, maybe at the end of the stream, we don't know. It's like a surprise.
You might pop in and do a giveaway.
Oh my God, Abby's here. Good morning, Abby. All right, so let's break down the charts and see what we have going into this morning. I can see we have this range in the 4 hour, and at the same time we have this 4 hour gap, and we have this intermediate low right there. So I guess at the open, I would love to see a manipulation lower down into this low right here, which I think is Asia, right? This is Asian low. Sorry, guys. This might be Asia. Right here. Yep, that's Asia. So it will be nice to see a manipulation lower down into this intermediate low, which is Asia, and then a projection for the price to go higher because we have this buy side right here that is looking nice. I'll rather to see that. It's going to be even cleaner than just a straight away jump into the highs after the open. But we'll never know. I guess we never know.
We go back to what Bushido said, that he thinks the initial move might be down, and look at it just pumping right now.
Bushido getting clapped right away. Yeah. Man, I'm sorry.
Oh my goodness.
Maybe it's too early into the morning.
Ken, go home.
Ken is here. Oh Ken, my God, this might be interesting.
Ken, you gotta go.
You're very okay, baby boy. Good morning.
Hey,
sir.
How we doing, baby boys and baby girls?
Should we get a little bit of macro from Ken before we let you go?
Wait, you're kicking me out? I've just got here.
I don't know if you're supposed to be here today.
What?
It's Tuesday. It's Tuesday.
Is that normal?
Well, I sent Angel a message. Maybe he didn't hear it properly.
Oh, okay.
Okay, but no, I mean, this is great. Everyone is here. So Joseph, you're a lucky guy because you're on the stream with the three of us. That's amazing, brother.
The three musketeers. Everyone is here.
Bro, you're living life.
That's so funny.
There's no way.
I made it, man. I made it.
But she doesn't kick me out. You can. You may get your wishes.
Love it. This is cool.
No, I'm extremely sick. I'm extremely sick, and I also have like bulging discs in my back, so I haven't been able to walk for over a week. And
oh no!
So I was just gonna lay horizontal for a bit while you guys open stream, but it's hard to just like lay and watch all of the fun happen. Look at this open.
Yeah, look at this open. Okay, this is nice because we can have Ken macro, we can have Joseph charts in the same day. Like, this is wonderful. What a beautiful Tuesday to be alive.
Come on, baby.
Yeah, what a day.
Love it. All right, I'll just get my stuff up when.
All right. Joseph, you can tell us what you see right there on that chart.
Yeah, man. I hope we don't take out these highs without an entry, because I was looking at this high in London, which I did not get, obviously. Okay. So yeah, I hope we don't push. I mean, into Asia and into first the high here. But this open is crazy. We already moved how much? Okay.
200 points.
Yeah.
That's 200. Yeah, that's crazy.
Crazy. I mean, the S is weaker, right? But in Q it's just...
it's not following up.
Man, look at this.
Whoa. Looking for them longs. I would love to see a long, but this is not the scenario I would love to see for a long. It's beautiful when we have 9:30 opens. We manipulate lower. We take out any previous session low or whatever if you want to be longing. and then we
Yeah.
tap into something that makes sense. It could be a Fibonacci retracement, it could be support and resistance, it could be a gap, and then from there you take longs out of that manipulation. But when you see like that straight movement away from the open, okay, thank you guys. It was a nice stream. Catch you all tomorrow. I'm joking.
We're
I'm
listening.
joking. Yeah. My God. Yeah.
We are listening. We are just occupado.
All right. So, what do you have for us today, Ken?
Yeah.
Yeah, let
Ken.
me share my screen. Let's have a little
It's gonna
chat.
be interesting. It's interesting. Whenever we have NFP on a Thursday, I'm
Yeah,
pretty sure that's gonna be an interesting week.
yeah, man.
100%.
I mean, yeah, I'll have a little chat quickly and talk about what I'm looking at, what's on my watch list. Obviously, look, we're at month end today, guys, right? So let's not forget this month end flows. So things could get. I'm surprised actually. It's quite a tamed month end. I thought it'd be a little bit more wild, especially where we've had quite one-directional moves for the dollar. You know, for anyone that doesn't understand month end, obviously we have, for example, you know, institutions that will need to balance their books. So they may be all their sort of dollar-based assets, maybe a net profit of X, where their euro or GBP or Aussie-based investments are, you know, are in negative. So what they tend to do is they, you know, repatriate some of those profits. So if we're up in dollar-based assets, we sell our dollars and we then exchange them for pounds or euros where there's a shortfall to balance their portfolios. That's usually sort of a month-end, quarter-end thing, but surprisingly, it's not moving too much. But if we look at what I'm looking at, right, I'm looking at a continued upside for the dollar this week. Obviously, we're still down today at the moment. We're heading for a powerful June. And obviously, as you guys know, the reason that we're heading for a powerful June is because my man, Warshy, Mr. Kevin Warsh, stood on business. And, you know, we've seen a raising in rate hike expectations. Now, what I want to note is July. Okay, so we've got the rate decision again at the end of next month. Now, Mr. Warsh is due to speak tomorrow. Okay, my man Warsh is speaking at what is it? It's a panel discussion, policy panel at the ECB Forum on Central Banking. So this is very important because obviously this is a couple of weeks after we've just had the decision, and I think he's most likely going to be speaking on the US monetary policy again and the economy. So we could get a little bit more hawkish commentary from him in a different setting outside of obviously the press conference. So I'm interested in seeing that. And obviously, as Angel, as you said, bro, we've got non-farm payrolls obviously on a Thursday. So for me, the data has been solid. I'm expecting inflationary data still. Given the warnings that we've had from Warsh, the economy is still strong, jobs are still strong. I'm expecting to see these set of figures be bullish. This is the most important thing really for me, is the earnings. If wages goes up, obviously that's inflationary, people getting paid more money. Now, if this data is strong, what you guys are going to observe is this July probability. So market's going to be like thinking, whoa, maybe the FOMC, the central bank, can start increasing rates as early as July. So if this probability starts shifting up to like 50, I think it could go up to 50%, like 50-50, then the dollar's going to shift higher. Gold's going to come under pressure. I don't think stocks are going to be bothered, okay? Because stocks, we're in a good environment. You know, the economy's strong. We don't need to sell stocks right now. So anyway, this dollar, the fact that we're negative now on the week presents an opportunity for me. I think come tomorrow, when Mr. Warshy speaks, I think dollar's going to fly. I've been watching this pullback right now for the dollar index. So I was looking at this higher low area here, anywhere between sort of 101, 195. And we're starting to see a bit of a break of structure, a bit of a break of this channel where we're putting lower highs, lower lows, break retest. But for me, I'm a bit skeptical to enter. Okay. Just the reason being is because of this month end. I was expecting a little bit more chop, you know, some fake outs. So for euro, what I'm looking out for at the moment is for, so if you look here, obviously we've been structured to the upside. We had equal highs yesterday. I was looking at this, equal highs, bam, bam. And we've bounced at this neckline, this area of liquidity here, 1380, and we're pulling back. So I'm waiting for euro shorts. We're just still consolidating within this sort of channel right now. I would like to see it come up. I would love to see it come up. Where are we at the moment on the Asian range? Okay. We're just consolidating. I don't think we're going to have enough room a welly to come up here, but I would love to see it come up and take out all these stops here, even clip the high of Friday and then come down. And maybe it looked like a bit of a triple top. That's where I'd feel most comfortable entering. up here. So the shorts up here, and then resumption of that dollar momentum to the upside, and then euro would print a new lower low. Okay, if you see, we're still waiting for this confirmation of the lower highs. A lot of chop going on at the moment, and then I'll be looking to run this down to 113, and then I'll have a swing place position for 112. So it's all theory at the moment, but if I don't get my entry up here, then I'm going to wait for a breakdown of this liquidity area here, maybe a simple break retest, and then look for some shorts. But I would love to get an entry up here, because then that would just be, as I say, a bit of a triple top situation, and then bam, 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 downside. So that's what's on my watch list right now. So yeah, baby boys.
Solid.
Baby
That's beautiful. I'm pretty sure that Walsh now knows that's his name. Washy. He knows
Washy.
that's his new name. Yeah, that's his new name for sure. 100%. I'm
Okay,
pretty sure he knows.
Yeah. Just like
yeah,
baby
now I
Zamblan.
feel like I have to short euro dollar after that analysis. I'm not sure about you guys, but
Okay,
I feel like it. Yeah, 100%. There's
Bro,
absolutely
it's a
no way.
no-brainer.
Yeah.
You know, look at the structure though, bro. Look at that structure. Lower highs, lower lows. Look at that. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous.
Yeah.
You know, with that, look at that monthly candlestick as well, man. And the weekly,
it's
it just screams downside. Like we're just heading into the next area of liquidity, which would be down here. So that's my opinion. Let's see. I would love for this to happen and play out. And gold. I don't know if anyone's watching gold, but
Yes, there's people in the chat already asking about gold. So
yeah.
don't forget the gold.
Yeah, so we came, look, obviously we've been calling this move, which is quite nice. We're obviously coming up to a massive area of liquidity, 4K, 3.9K, this zone. So what we're waiting out for is look, when you look at this, it's like we're trying to get this double bottom. So this is why I was watching that with Euro about potentially coming up again and sweeping some stops. You know, maybe we come out to here, people think, yeah, it's a double bottom. We're going to break out to the upside from here. You know, a bit of a sweep, and then we head to the downside. I would love to see that as well. I would love to see people thinking this is a double bottom and then coming to the downside. So I would look at shorts up there at 4,100. If not, then I'll just have to be waiting for a breakdown, you know, of this 4K area, 3.9K, and then I'm going to swing this into 3.5K, 3.3K, which is down. You see these lows here, it's area of liquidity. So yeah, it's a bit of hand sitting at the moment, but I think the dollar strength is going to come in full force come potentially tomorrow. All right, so just let this consolidation play out, and then we look to sell these rallies. Not financial advice, just my opinion, guys. Yeah, man. Yeah,
man. Looking good, looking solid. That's your gut analysis by King Cheapo, guys.
Yeah.
Is
it Joseph?
Yes.
Joseph,
Yes.
Do you trade gold or
No, just
No,
thank you.
just thank you? Okay. Where are you based? Are you somewhere in Europe?
Yeah, Austria.
Austria. Okay, nice. What,
Yes.
Vienna?
Yes, exactly.
Nice, man.
You've
nice.
been here?
Awesome. No, I've never been.
Rallying here against the Americans and the Europeans right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it? I've never fought to go to Austria. You know, I've never fought to go to Austria. Is it worth going to experience Vienna and?
Yeah, for sure. If you like, especially if you like history, you know.
I love
lots
history.
Lots of history here.
Nice. Okay. Awesome, man.
I mean, let me know if you should come. Then I'm your tour guide. You know, we make an E8 tour in Vienna. You guys all
Yes,
come.
man. So do you trade with E8 right now?
Yes, I do.
Vienna. Okay, you do. Okay. Well, yeah, we may have to do something then. We may have to look to do something, my man. Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, exactly. This is like all these buildings, old buildings.
Oh, it's gorgeous,
Mozart,
man.
like all these. Yeah.
Yeah. It reminds me, there's a few places, like, for example, you know, have you ever been to, where did I go recently? Oh, I can't remember. Antwerp in Belgium. There's parts of Belgium that have beautiful, historic buildings like this as well.
Yeah.
Maybe even, where did I go as well? In Budapest, it's quite nice as well, like this. And Czech Republic. Where in Czech Republic did I go? Prague. You know, Prague as well.
Prague is nice. Yeah.
Beautiful history like that. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, beautiful. So, yeah, man, nice. Definitely. We'll put it on the bucket list.
Yeah, for sure, man. For sure.
Adrian,
But
what
it's so
you got
hot right now. Like in Europe, it's so hot right now. I mean, I don't know how hot it is where you are guys, but we have just a heat wave in Europe. Like it's crazy right now.
Yeah, same. It's been like 30 degrees here in London. So yeah, it's been warm and sticky.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Yeah, Joseph is from the NQ army. Ken, I have
Yes,
to
man.
say.
NQ and ES, that's it.
Yeah, fair. Abby, how your Bitcoin short? Are you still short Bitcoin?
No, I closed that.
Okay.
Yeah. But,
Okay, yeah.
And you
What's it-
short
what-
yesterday.
Super bearish.
I shorted it yesterday, but I did get closed out of that trade, and I'm down like $1,200 in the account or something.
Yeah, this is gonna shit a brick. Excuse my language, but it's in trouble, serious trouble. Bitcoin. Damn,
For sure.
so bearish. Structures incredible. Yeah, fair. Game over. What else we got?
Want a little analysis on Bitcoin real quick? It'll probably be better than mine.
Yeah, I'm also waiting. I spoke about this on a stream last week. I'm still waiting for dollar Swiss longs at the moment. I'm waiting for this. I'm not comfortable yet with this pullback. I think we still got a little drop to come, but I'm looking at dollar Swiss longs as well, guys. It's on the watch list. I explained why there's a divergence between rates in Switzerland. Switzerland rates are 0. Federal Reserve are 3.75% in US, and they're going to be raising. But I'm just watching this pullback structure at the moment. We're still sort of printing lower highs, lower lows. Excuse all the madness on my chart, but yeah, just I want to see a nice bullish engulfing out of this structure, which I thought was happening here, and then we lost a bit of momentum. Now we're fading, so sort of sitting on hands, waiting for this sort of month-end flow to subside, dollar to get some firmer footing, and dollar Swiss longs are going to be on my cards as well for swing positions in towards sort of 84.50. We spoke about this on the last stream, but yeah. So that's it from me.
I think NQ is setting. You say what?
Sorry. No, go on. You go, Angel. Sorry.
I think NQ is setting up for a long right now. Here at the 5 minute.
I might have pressed the button.
Here. You see, I love when we have like a gap on the 5 minute right after, and of course we're just creating a new dealing range. We're tapping into this gap. We have the equal highs right here, and we can just distribute for the rest of the session. The only reason why I'm going to wait on this one is because if you look at the 15 minute, we're just setting up a new gap on the 15 minute, and it's really, really close. So I would love to see now this gap being tapped in before getting into any longs, but I'm not going to disregard the fact that out of this high, we can just go back and take out Asian low and then just chop because, of course, it's the end of the month. But yeah, you can go ahead and show what you see, Joseph, out of it.
Yeah, I'm in a long. Like I just pressed the button a few seconds ago.
Oh.
Yeah. I mean, I play my own kind of level system, which is the orange lines here with highs and lows and fair value gaps. And I was looking at, of course, this first day high, right, during London. And as you guys can see, basically ES broke above midnight opening price, has its highs still left up here. And same we did with NQ, like we broke above midnight opening price. VWAP is a level that I'm always looking at. And then, of course, my orange line here. So I added just micros, just small size because this range is too big. I mean, it's a big stop loss, but this is like a 2-hour trade.
Yeah, makes sense.
All the way up here. And then I added one after this close here because the reaction was okay, but after we respected this 5 minute pushed higher, I don't think, like for me, that we want to go lower. Also, last day of the month, we might get a continuation to the upside. So I'm around in it like this on MNQ up to this 450 level. I don't know if this lines up with, or there's no high, but yeah, that's the trade I'm in. So if you break this high and we close above it, then it should be good. And the S keeps following. But let's see. It's last day of the month, so let's see what we want to do. But in this range, I just play micros, of course. Yeah.
Nah, I mean, it looks good. If we have to go higher, we should go higher from here. If there's any other place. Otherwise, we're just going lower. I mean, what happens if we are not going higher? We're going lower. That's the only thing that can happen, right?
You know the secret, man.
Oh my god!
Let me put some notes, man. I need to write this down.
Ken, there's a question for you in the chat.
All right, let's see what someone's asking. How big of a stop loss do you normally use in swing trading? It could be big. I mean, it could be 300, 400 pips. It depends on which pair that I'm trading. It's still always the risk varies, right? The risk varies depending on how quality of the setup it is, how clean the macros are. So, I mean, you know, for example, that dollar Swiss trade that I was just looking at, right? My screen's been shared. So for me, it's trying to place like the stops at a key below even a key area of where I'd be validating as the higher low, right? So if we look here at dollar Swiss, so as soon as we form, for example, a higher low, wherever that may be, let's just say for argument's sake, it's here, right? We form the higher low at this sort of 80, 50 area. So I would typically, and if I manage to get in an entry just above that, I will leave a bit of breathing room below that high low. So here, obviously, this is an example. I mean, that's 50 pips. It could be more, but I leave breathing room below that high low because I've seen so many times, you know, where, for example, we come down and retest that higher low, and you know, we grab some liquidity and then we push to the upside. So it does vary. I mean, it does vary. It could be 50 pips, it could be 100 pips, it could maybe even be 200 pips, depending on which pair. Like Euro NZD, for example, the pip count may be more. But yeah, in terms of stop placement, just below leaving breathing room below the most recent higher low or higher high, you know, if I'm shorting or whatever the case may be, or lower high, excuse me. Hope that answers your question. What happened, Josef? Did you get stopped out or something? What's going on?
No, we bump. So
no, he's in profit already though.
Yeah.
I think it's gone.
Oh, it's going.
Yeah. I don't want to be that dude. I don't want to be that dude, Josef, but I hope we really retrace into the 15 minutes so I can get an entry as well.
It looks good to me.
I mean, as long as we don't... Like, do you see my position or I should see?
No, we can only see your chart. It's not like on the... We can see like the stop in the entry for sure.
Oh, wait, I share my other... Wait, give me a second.
Ooh.
But we're back ahead. Hanging on stream together.
Here we go.
Hey.
There you go. All right, now we can see it.
Yeah.
Whoa. Nice, Josef. Let's go, baby.
Oh my goodness.
I mean, this is like a trade could easily add maybe another one. Let's see. Of course, E8
so we have now 950
account. So
Angel,
nice.
A panic attack. Chill.
Yeah. I think no one actually noticed about it, but okay. So 950 macro, guys. We shall just push or retrace a little bit. Maybe get Josef a little bit into trouble. I can get in, so we all can just jump into that long and just.
As long as I don't get stopped, I'm okay. You know. Okay.
I'll take it. All right.
You can take this 50-minute fair value gap. I'm okay with that.
At what point would you trade your stops, Josef, on this sort of trade?
I usually let it run. Like I don't usually. Fair. No. Yeah. I mean, of course, if we are like. If we are up here or something, then I would trail my stop because I don't want like to put this all back to my stop. But in this case, I usually let it run.
Yeah, fair.
Yeah. Like Angel said, in this case, we also have a 50 minutes, so we could retrace back maybe and then get another push. But I don't think we will get a retracement, to be honest.
Yeah, I don't think so either. I mean, the 5 minute was too clean. The 5 minute is beautiful. 5 minutes is beautiful. It's enough to make it work. But the reason why I'm waiting is because I'll take that one and then we retrace into the 50 minute, I'll be so pissed that I'll rather just miss it.
Man, you said we were full board today. Why didn't you click the button?
Not yet. Just wait for it. Wait for it. Full for Tuesday. Let's go.
Hey, Tuesday.
Some different.
Welcome back to the New Year session, Josef.
Thank you, man. I mean, if we get a pullback, I will add, so I'm all for it.
Yeah, no, I don't think there's any pullback after that 15-minute candle that is about to close in 4 minutes. I don't really think that.
Yeah, we closed also above these highs.
Yeah, I don't really think we're getting a pullback. But yeah, it's nice that you only trade London, like you trade mostly London. I can remember back in that time when I was trying to make trading work for me, and I was waking up at 3 a.m. every day, and I was telling my girlfriend, "This is the way to do it. This is the way to do it." I mean, you have to wake up at 3 a.m. trade London. I'm like, it was the worst time of my life. I have to say, like,
Didn't work out then, right?
I mean, with 3 hours of sleep, how come it will work out? You know, it's hard. You have to sleep.
You thought you figured it all out, Angel.
Yeah, then I realized that, like, if you're gonna trade during the New Year session during the morning, trading something like gold or the indices is kind of like easier to trade because you always see like an intraday movement, right? Like, but for Forex, it's better to trade London because you have place like your personal one, like it's just trading out of any liquidity sweep out of Asia. That's a solid setup that you can trade only during the London Open, right? It's not something that you can do during the morning. So yeah.
Yeah, I remember Baby Zamzam was saying that he's based in London. He does usually trade London, but he's been trading gold during Asia, you know, staying up till late. I mean, I couldn't do that, but I know gold moves quite nicely. Well, especially when it's trending. You know, when we went through that big bull run with gold, every time the move was just happening in Asia. So like by the time we get to like London, gold was already up like 1-2%. You know, so I was going to say, nice trending markets. Asia is really good for gold. You know,
you can just trade the open, long the open. And that's what I was doing 2 months ago with Nasdaq. When we're just ramping out of the all-time highs, it was just easy trading the open because it will just open, tap into something below, and then just trade higher because you know the daily candle is going to be bullish. They're just going to just distribute the rest of the day. It's just easier to trade though when you're actually trending. But I have to say, when gold is not trending, it's the hardest thing to trade. I don't know how you guys can trade that piece of metal. My God.
Yeah. It's in ranges. It's nasty. It's nasty to trade. Horrible. It kills everybody. Oh man.
Beautiful trade right here. WC in the chat for Josef.
Joseph. Man, like.
Get it. Finally, I got my long because today I got 2 losses in London, so we are back.
Beautiful long right there out of the 5 minute. You'll see when we don't have a manipulation lower, when you're looking for longs and the open does not have like a manipulation lower first, you'll see a dealing range the first 15 minute, and that dealing range is either gonna retrace out of a 5 minute gap or a 15-minute gap. So that's never gonna fail. Well, most of the time it's not gonna fail. It works. It's actually clean. It's a beautiful profile to trade for today on Nasdaq. Yeah.
Euro sales loading, Ken. Not quite yet, low-key, but we will be. We will be.
Guys, drop your questions for Ken. Drop your questions for Joseph. Drop your questions for Abby. Do not drop questions to me because I'm not into questions today. But everything else is good. There you go. What's the target that you have, Joseph? What's that target? Why that high?
That's my level system, like that I use. See this?
Okay.
It's just, I mean, I use it since a few months, something that I'm building. So it's hard to explain, but it works pretty well. And that's what also the reason for the trade, right? Because for longs, I also like a manipulation, of course, lower first. But This was my whole plan for London today. I wanted longs, and since on ES we held my level, on NQ we pushed above it. So my first trigger again was this 5-minute close, and then I added on like this 5-minute.
Yeah, guys, isn't that a lovely way to explain your strategy? Like, how do you trade? Well, it's hard to explain, but it works really well, you know?
Yeah.
Isn't that lovely though?
Lovely.
Hard to explain, but it works really well. Yeah. Yeah, thank you,
really
Joseph.
well. As long as I make money, you know, I just pressed buy and sell, to be honest. I just did this, and then I was like...
All right.
But what I like,
50-minute close. Yeah.
If you like, my whole trading is basically highs and lows, fair value gaps, and SMD. And the SMD here was kind of a small manipulation before, right? At these lows. Look at the 50-minute. At this SMD down here. So, and I think, yeah, this was the SMD down here. But let's see, maybe you get a pullback, maybe you can enter.
Maybe it can. The only thing here
would you enter if we get a pullback? Would you enter if we get a pullback or not?
If we get into the 15-minute, I'll just go to the lower time frames and wait for like an SMT, a cracking correlation, and then see something like, I don't know, a change in the market structure, a change in the state of delivery, IFVE, whatever I like there, something like a drawing that makes sense, like the lower time frame is actually changing that structure higher, and then I'll go there. Kind of like, it's pretty simple. It's like a kindergarten trade, but it works really well.
It's hard to explain, but it works really well.
No, well, yeah.
On today's episode of It's Hard to Explain, but it works really well.
Ken, are you taking any trades?
Yeah. Not yet, baby boy.
Not really?
Not yet. Sitting on my pretty little hands right now, waiting for $1 shorts. Someone asked me a question. I was going to quickly answer it, if that's okay. Someone said, it's a good question. And I'm just going to give you a video to watch. So someone said, hey, Ken, how do you see all type of economic inflation or a different countries? I'm guessing, how do you basically analyze all the fundamental data? I mean, you can use Forex Factory, right? And you can use trading economics. Now, I did a really good example of being able to trade just based on the data. Go on my YouTube channel and go all the way back to the very start of this year. Let me just quickly check. I'm just going to tell you the video. I want you to watch it because it's a really good example. So yeah, check out this video, how to trade Forex with commodities like an institutional player, and check out this one, 2026 starts with a bang. And basically in these, I can't remember which one it is, one of these two videos, but they're both useful. I've just used Forex Factory, an example of for AUD. I was looking for AUD to be an outperformer at the start of the year versus a number of its peers. And when you look for AUD, you know, versus USD, for example, from January, we had this big push to the upside, and obviously through May, when you look at AUD, NZD, it's very one directional, AUD CAD. And I spoke about this, and the reason being is me paying attention to what's happening on these data, right? I was looking at AUD inflation, I was looking at AUD jobs, and I was like, the economy's strong. You know, we should be talking about rate hikes. And then RBA started hiking rates in February or whenever it was. And then AUD, you started seeing that shift, that further shift of strength before obviously now we've topped out. But so to answer your question, just go and check out my YouTube channel, check out those videos. I did gave you an example there of just using that data. Okay. Everything that you need, you know, you don't need no fancy Bloomberg terminal, you know, or anything like that. The information's out there, you know, just go and digest it and yeah, try and incorporate it into what you're doing.
Nice. Yeah, I'm joining the longs right now, by the way, just so you know.
So let's have a look at Angel.
Yeah, I'm joining the longs right now with Joseph on this one, right out of this area right here.
I added two here, one contract.
If you look at the 5 minute, we're tapping into this new gap right here, which matches with the high that we're taking out, right? This 5 minute. we tap into this 5 minute following this momentum right here, and my target is this 4-hour gap, right, out of this 5 minute, and then I just look for the 1 minute to print like a higher low, which is this one. So I'm protecting this low right here, and here's my entry.
Nice. Catching that momentum now.
Yeah, let's see if we can actually have that push.
Looks good. What about you, Abby? You got anything going on?
Nope. I got into a short on Bitcoin. That's pretty much it. I'm losing my voice, so I can't really talk.
Yeah, I can hear. Don't sound good, girl. Poor Abby.
And
yeah. Euro, GT Swiss, GT. Yeah, gold.
I had it here on this candle.
Yeah, bullish.
Yeah, looks good for a 2R for a quick one.
what's you guys' target?
I like the 4-hour gap that we have around 500.
Like 3480.
480, yes, 3480.
480. Yeah.
I have that marked out too. Is kind of what I was looking at, but I need to see it pull back to one of these levels before I get in.
Which level? What's a good level full pullback for you though?
Either 260 or
260.
I think around like 260-ish. I'd be more confident in that.
Mhm.
No. But I do think we probably
260.
engage that like fair value gap and then maybe sell off for the rest of the day because the POC is down below at like 29,689.
Oi. Life is good. You know what I mean?
Man, Angel, you joined along and now we're retracing.
Oh, Angel.
Yeah, I entered the
Man.
pullback though. A 5 minute looks nice. We should protect that week that we have out of it, or play a little bit with that 5 minute gap. But it's
Yeah, for
definitely
sure.
something to look for.
You added on a 1 minute, like here?
Yeah, I got it at the close. Once we tap into the 5 minute, I
5
just
minute.
looked for the IFVG that we have right there, and that's what's
Okay.
pretty much like my entry. But my feel is like kind of higher because trying to switch the platform, going to the other platform, taking it, I'll take it, but it makes sense to me.
Yeah.
If you look at the 1 minute, you see the IFVG that we have from the 1 minute.
Yeah, I added
Sure
2
do.
here, so basically
Yeah.
same.
Just right there, exactly right there.
And somebody's asking if you're on Euro shorts.
Ken, are you on? No, not yet. I'm waiting. So, I'm watching. Had we not protected this this low area here, you see, which could be viewed still as a higher low, right? We had got this pullback structure going on. I know we failed to print a higher high here, but these equal highs, we failed to break down this area of liquidity at 1380. And then we just staged this rebound candle here. So I wouldn't be confident. I'd be gambling, just jumping into shorts here. I feel like for me, I want to see this high. If this high gets taken out, if we come up here again, take out this high, come up here, for triple top it for me, baby. Come up here, I'm entering shorts. I want to see a nice bearish rejection candlestick here, and then I'm entering, okay? And that's going to be a swing position for me, you know? So I'm waiting, okay, patiently. If you want to enter now, you get in, you get burned, okay? But me, I'm waiting. This is where I'll be most confident for those shorts, okay? So maybe it'll come later on today, if anything, maybe even tomorrow. But this rejection that we had happened overnight yesterday. So I may have, if I may wait up and wait for it to if need be, I may wait, you know, until Asia and look to execute. But I wouldn't feel confident or comfortable placing a pending order up here. I want to watch the price action first of all. Yeah, I think we'll get that breakout, and I think we're going to come up here, grab that liquidity, and head lower. Okay, that's what I am looking for.
Gold just swing trading or day trading too?
So I do also day trade. So for me, like my day trade opportunities would be, you know, when we're in nice trending markets, I look for, you know, basically liquidity sweeps of Asian range, you know, something like this where we sweep liquidity and then carry on and resume the trend to the downside. So that'll be like my intraday plays. But otherwise, yeah, with the swing trading, that sometimes this will be my entry for a swing trade as well. So if I'm looking for a sweep of liquidity and then continuations to the downside, same as up here, I'm looking for a sweep of liquidity up here at these highs, and then I'll be looking for to swing this down to a lower low. You know, initially I'll have targets at the most recent low, and then I'll have runners for a new lower low, the next area of liquidity, which for me is basically down here at 112. Just looking left, really validating those key levels. Yeah, so element of market structure, supply and demand, and yeah, liquidity sweeping is how I'd...
Liquidity sweeping. That's
sweeping,
what happened
yes,
with my
sweeping.
stop. Whenever I enter, there's a liquidity sweeping in my stops. You guys know why what is happening?
The market makers are watching you, man.
Is that normal? Whenever I'm entering, there's a liquidity sweeping, though.
They are in chat. They are in chat.
Oh my gosh, that killed me. Sweeping. Oh, guys, by the way, we had JOLTS job openings. This isn't like high impact, but just worth note. 7.5 million job openings, which is bullish. You know, markets were looking for only 7.28. Sets a bit of a tone. Heading into tomorrow, we've got the privately conducted payrolls. It's not official government, worth noting, ADP. It all sets a bit of a tone, you know, heading into obviously non-farms on Thursday. So yeah, it's a good number anyway. But markets don't care because it's second tier data. Oh God, I'm gonna create some merch, liquidity sweeping, little brim on the back and some candlesticks.
Liquidity sweeping angel stops.
I will put that on my bio as well. Liquidity sweeping.
Or liquidity swept. You are the swept.
I'm the liquidity. Yeah, you're the liquidity.
Yeah, Angel. Angel, am the liquidity.
Oh my God. So we're kind of like chopping around for a little bit. Can we just push higher out of this? I like the way we're just rejecting the 5 minute.
Yeah, it looks good.
All right, guys. So we are 160 people here, and we have only we have only 12 likes on YouTube. So please go ahead, move over to YouTube, and if you're here, just hit the like button right now, just right away, please, and thank you.
Hey. Is that offer ended? Is it finished now? The 400k, 500k, 40% off, 30% off. Is it gone?
No, I think it's in like it's 10. So it's like in 8 hours.
You said it was
8 hours.
Yesterday in 8 hours.
Yeah, but they extended the promo now. So we have 8 hours, just 8 hours, guys. 8 hours to get your EA Pro account before they're gone.
Grab one. That's crazy.
Go grab one. 500k EA Pro, 400k EA Pro for 40% off. You won't see an offer like this never again. Maybe, I don't know if never again, but it's hard to see it. So just go ahead, get your 500k EA Pro account for 40% off right now, and do it. And hit the like button. If you want a 500k, hit the like button, please, first, and then just go and get the account. Easy. There you go.
Light work.
Yeah, but if you buy an account, you can't have it unless you clicked like on the stream, obviously.
Yeah, exactly. If you buy an account, but you didn't like the stream, then we need to talk.
You're in trouble. We're gonna come for you. We have your emails and your address. We have their addresses too, man. Oh. Come on, little charty chart. So fraudulent. Give me my pullback.
I don't know, Abby. I
know, Angel. I know.
I don't know. Maybe we don't need that pullback.
Your trade for sure. Don't worry about it. But
maybe we don't need that pullback, because if we do that pullback, you're liquidity sweeping me, lady. So please give me a break. Just give me a break. I got a break even yesterday.
How was June for you guys?
Good.
Good.
It was a break-even month for me, though.
Some may say I pulled out $9,000, and some may say I didn't. Some may say they took it right off my account.
Break-even month for me, 100%.
Green. I mean, break-even is better than 95%.
Yeah, I mean, I'll take it. Like, the previous months were actually good, really, really good. Also, January, March, April were actually really good months for me. But this one, I don't know, maybe I was like, it was my first month on the stream as well.
Yeah.
So I was kind of like giving my best during the stream and then trading outside of the stream and not giving my best. So yeah, I guess you always learn.
Wait. You were trading outside of the stream.
Do
you remember in the beginning, I was trading a little bit out. I would do really well in stream, and then I'd trade outside of stream, and I would blow the accounts.
Yeah, that's what I was doing.
To stop doing it. So what did I stop doing? And then what did I do, Angel? In like a few weeks, I pulled out $9,000 because I stopped trading off stream. So what are you gonna stop doing?
I'm gonna stop trading
off stream.
Off stream, yeah, 100%. You're right. That's what I need to do.
You are the reason that I stopped trading off stream. I was like, yeah, you know what? Who cares? Like, I'm not gonna press myself, and I stopped trading off stream. And what's weird is I trade worse on stream. So, but morning times are my golden hour. Like the first 2 hours of the market is when I do best. But we had actually pretty bad price action over the past couple weeks has been fine. But
yeah, no,
I'm really bad. You were doing well. I was doing shitty. But yeah, you just gotta take your own advice, buddy.
Buddy? Yeah, I will.
Buddy.
I apologize myself for not being able to take only the trades from the stream. But it's funny because of course I will take the best trades that I can take on stream, because I don't want to see myself getting clapping from of 200 to 300 people during the day. So I'll just wait until I see something completely beautiful and I'll say, okay, it's time to trade. But when I'm off stream, I can just take whatever. So that's
he doesn't like
that's
public
something
clapping.
Yeah.
No clapping.
That's something. All right, okay, guys. So remember, the Hyper Cup is here. We're pretty much just giving a trader 10K in cash if you can end up the month with the highest profit with our new platform. We will have 100 winners. So 100 people would get away with something. Either it's a free account out of your choice, a cash prize, a date with Ken and Joseph, and more cash prizes.
Nice.
All right.
Good to know.
It won't be in Austria. It won't be in wherever Ken lives, like England or something. It will be in Zimbabwe.
Oh my God.
Yeah, Zimbabwe.
Can't wait.
I don't know where that is. I don't know what country that is. It'll be there though.
Alright, if we take that high, I'm gonna move to break even, but we need to take that high. It seems like it's happening right now.
They will take it.
Not yet. Not yet. We were super close to do it, but it's not happening yet.
Guys, let me tell you about my defects right now.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
I'm
Please.
sweating my balls off because I have a fever. I'm third day on a fever. Like, what kind of BS did I do to myself? My girlfriend comes back and she's just so sick. And I never get sick, so I'm taking no precautions whatsoever. I'm like, cool, like, have fun with that. Do you need anything? Okay, cool. Like, and we're sitting on the couch, we're like watching stuff, whatever, for like 2 days, and I'm like, I don't get sick. It's fine. I end up not only like because I was already like bedridden for a couple days with my back injury, and then I end up getting sick and I'm bedridden for another couple days. I'm so stir crazy. I just want to like be able to move again, go outside, and I can't do anything. Can't even go to the gym.
Damn.
Damn.
Absolutely.
You need orange juice. You need orange juice during the morning. That's the best way to avoid like getting sick. If you get
Dr.
orange juice, yeah.
What kind
Oh,
of
well.
orange juice are you drinking? Because you know that today's oranges with the genetic modification actually take like 80 oranges to get the same amount of vitamin C that you would get from a regular orange back in like 1950.
Well, I get the orange from a tree, which is like an orange tree, and then I make the juice myself. So it's kind of like I will avoid all that stuff, right? And then I'll do it.
Okay.
No, I'm joking. There's a good brand. I cannot recall the name, but I'll send it to you guys.
Yeah, miss me with that. It's full of sugar. That's worse for your body than anything else. I've basically been fasting for like days. I'm just surprised I got sick because I never get sick. I got some honey tea, Bushido. I
Here
got
we
my
go.
whatever it's called.
All right, look at this. I'm gonna do this in public.
Go on,
In front
Angel.
of everyone.
You're full potting?
Of course. No, I'm not full potting. I'm going break even right now. Just look at this. Okay, look at this trade. Targeting that 4-hour gap. I'm sorry, Abby, but we're living without you this time. And transparency, because I'm not gonna be here like. Look at this. We have. Where is it? Okay, here. So this is the execution. There you go. Now we can just take out that 4-hour gap. Let me just say. Sell limit. There you go. When we can go watch Joseph trade. What a beautiful trade, guys. What a beautiful trade.
Added here too again.
Nice, man.
When
Really
you're
nice.
adding in, how many contracts did you start with? And then how many are you adding every time? Are they minis or micros?
Micros, just micros. I added 2 here, and then after the 5-minute rejection here, then here after the pullback on the 1 minute,
Beautiful.
and then here again after this 5-minute close, and then this should be it. I mean, this market with micros, I just trade micros. But the thing is, like, what I'm doing is I started to give my trades way more room also during London session. So instead of having the 1-minute executions, I usually use 5 and 50 minutes. So I have a little bit more or wider stop losses, but it just has down a little bit.
I like it.
Really nice, Joseph.
Yeah, the 5 minute is beautiful. The 5 minute is beautiful. I agree with that.
Yeah, 5 minutes.
I think we're coming back down to 270 real quick.
No, please, no.
Just a
If you guys
200
have
point
to
candle.
choose a time frame that you can only trade that time frame for the rest of your life, which time frame and why?
15.
15 minute?
Yeah.
46 minutes.
46.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure Joseph will say 15 minutes as well. What about you, Ken?
I'm 4 hour, bro. 4 hour.
4 hour?
Good.
Why
Yeah.
the 4 hour?
Because 4 hour is the engine of structure for me, from my experience. You know, you really understand where the market's at. So yeah, man, I think I feel like I have a higher probability of long-term success to strictly trade in the 4 hour. You know,
I'm switching the bias to 4 hour. I want to be like that. No, he's got a fair point because
Yeah,
1
100%.
minute, obviously you can't get a whole view of the market on a 1 minute. You can get a decent view on the 15 minute and at least know that you can get in a trade that can sit through 15 to 45 minutes. But with the 4 hour, you get a pretty broad perspective of what the market's doing.
Mm-hmm.
And you have a window of 4 to 16 hours, I feel like, where you can take swing trades. And I like swing trades, y'all.
I mean, for the 4 hour, whenever we have a 4 hour close, we have great moves. 10 a.m., it's a great move on the market. Let's say I'm not sure about London. I'll say
I like 2 a.m. always with the 4 hour opening.
Yeah, we have a great displacement out of that candle when it opens. It's pretty much a distribution, so it's trending, and you have a beautiful setup out of it. So that's good. Okay, get ready, guys, because we're gonna say the G word really soon.
We're gonna say the G word.
Very, very soon.
Giveaway.
I added some at that gap.
Somebody said, just take 100 lot sell from here on gold and you'll feel better, Abby. I like that advice. I do.
What about you guys on the chat? Let me know what's your favorite time frame. That time frame that you'll be able to trade and stick only to that time frame for the rest of your life. You cannot trade anything else. Just that one. That's a fair point. I'll say 4 hours is a beautiful time frame to trade. 15 minutes, it's also a solid time frame to trade. I like the 5 minute. I'll take the 5 minute. For me, 5 minute is beautiful. When we have a beautiful dealing range with a 5 minute retracement, when we have a 5 minute IFBG, that's beautiful. I will say 5 minutes, it's a beautiful time frame to trade.
For sure.
Ken said, running 5 minutes late. Just saw that, buddy.
Oh,
I actually had no idea. Whenever you pop in, I always assume that you're just not supposed to be here because we only get a couple days with you. A couple days with you, and I just assume that Angel's always there with me. So when Angel's on and then you come on, I'm like,
oh,
Ken's not supposed to be here.
Well, I am here. I'm here 3 days a week.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know that. I don't see you 3 days a week, so I'm here 5 days a week, and I don't see you 3 days a week.
Yeah.
I see a day or two, right? A day or two.
Maybe.
I don't know. It's it interchanges, so I always just assume you're not here.
Yeah, it's
And
like
then
that meme ages.
When you are here, it's a delightful little surprise.
Oh, thank you. I'm glad you made me feel so welcome.
I remember when I first came into the company and I pitched this idea of doing a live stream. They were like, "Oh, we want this other guy to be on here." I was like, "No, please don't." I'm just kidding. I was like, "Yeah, that'd be great."
You want Uncle on the stream, no?
But they actually, it literally is Unk, right? Because they actually described you as this older guy who's been in the game for a long time. And when you got on stream, I was like, this man is not old. Like, you might have 15 children, but you're not that old. So you're popping them out at 10.
Bushido. Oh, brilliant. You sure know how to make a brown man blush. Oh, love it.
I've run out of tea.
I like that. I like that power, Joseph. That's what we're talking about, baby. The magnets. Give
Oh,
more.
yeah.
You need to buy
we
some
have
more
it.
magnets, though. Yeah, one is not enough. It's never enough. You always need like 18 of them.
I'm telling you guys, it's selling off right now. It's selling off. 270.
18 of
Here
them.
we go.
270.
No. And you have to look at the adding that I put
I'm
on
kidding.
the tree. It's beautiful. Oh my god. Yeah, put
Here
some
we
more
go.
magnets, baby. Put some more magnets there.
Is that a horseshoe or a magnet?
Well, that's a good question. That's a good question. I don't know.
That's a good question. As long as it works, we are good.
Yeah.
Only one way to find out. How much are you floating profit right now?
Me?
Yeah.
1.7k.
Okay.
Should
Angel?
be 2k if it hits.
I'm 2,200 in profit right now.
Nice. Nothing
Nice.
greedy about that, boys.
Nice, bro.
Look at this adding that I'm putting. Like, hold on. I'm gonna show you. Let me just. Where is it?
Joseph, would you ever find yourself like closing this out ahead of that target or what?
No,
No?
not really. I usually just hold until DB. I mean, it depends if ES does something that I don't like because of SMD, what I'm looking at.
Mhm.
But usually I just hold to the target. This is something that I also started doing because when I trade New York, I always execute on usually the 1 minute. And then it was tighter stops, faster break-evens. But this year, since trading, especially London, it's more like 50-minute, letting it run, wider stops. And I really like it. So it's not that much of management. It's just getting trade, DP, stop loss. That's
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, I hear you.
Yeah, apparently if you have like a 80% setup or a 70% setup, for every time that you close early or move your stop to break even, it actually reduces your probability.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah.
the more you know.
Yeah, that's what we're talking about. More magnets, baby. More magnets. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this trade right here. This was the initial trade. I was trading the trend. We tap into the 5 minute.
Good.
I just went to a lower time frame. Just look at the IFPG. I have the feel I was the reason why I'm not here on this account is because I was trading the other account. It's kind of like hard to switch between. And then we have this beautiful retracement on this gap, and I just add in.
Really
Here's my
nice.
take profit.
Man, this is, yeah. See, I would never, ever look to trade market structure in a 1 minute, but look at that structure. It's so clean. So freaking
Yeah, it's
right?
clean.
Yeah.
It's clean.
God.
It's clean because I'm telling the structure what to do, right?
Yeah.
Otherwise, it's not. But yeah, it's clean because we have a beautiful gap on the 4 hour. It makes sense. Our days are clean. That's the issue with trading because there are clean days and then then it comes with shitty days. Excuse my language.
Shitty.
Like yesterday. How can you explain yesterday that we dumped 500 points and then we ripped higher 800 points in the same session? What kind of times we're living in?
26
Oh,
market, man.
Yeah.
What is you guys' your TP at? What number?
480.
Mine is
480?
460.
Yeah.
460? You're front running it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was looking at it and I was like, that doesn't look like the gap. That looks way too close to be the gap, but it's because you got 20 points earlier.
Mm.
I find that to be a smart move ever since 2025. Just front run everything because sometimes it just likes to go right up and then completely miss and like turn around and be like, hi, we were
And then we're liquidity sweeping. Let's do code. What's a good code for today? Because I'm not still pulling that.
The code should be JAKA.
Here we go.
JAKA. So Jaka. Is that in Spanish? It's Jaka kind of thing.
Together,
Okay.
we are Jaka.
Beautiful.
I'll do it. Yeah, I'll do it. No worries. Okay.
Somebody said, "What's the Bitcoin short target?" I'll actually show you. I'm not sharing my screen. Give me 1 second. And pardon me, because I probably will lose my voice in the next like 45 seconds, and then I'm gonna sound like the fourth boy on the stream. Okay. Here's what I would say. I wouldn't even consider getting in until where is my rectangle? If we get a closure below this area here.
Well, yeah, hold on.
Good indication. Facts.
There you go.
Thanks. If we get a closure below that area there, then this would be my signal to get in. And goodbye to my voice. Hold on, I'm struggling here. Give me a second. Where the fuck is it? There it is. All right.
Sign language.
Right here, if we get a closure below that, then I'm looking for this entire move here. I like that. Just kidding. Let me not do that. So I'd be targeting this area, like this close right here, and then that would be there. So I'd be looking for this entire move. Capito, makes sense. Yeah.
Makes sense, y'all.
All right, guys, I'm gonna dip. Okay,
Oh my God,
Joseph,
don't.
nice to meet you, my man.
Can't go.
It's nice meeting you, man.
Can't go. You can't leave
Take
us.
care. All right.
You too, man.
We'll miss you, Ken. Take care, brother.
Yeah.
Kindle.
Bye.
Bye.
I wonder if you heard the Kindle thing. Yeah, right there, y'all. So, oops.
Yeah, looks good. I can see like more people tends to join like after 10 a.m. It's like the open. They're just too busy trying to trade the open or gambling the open, I guess. I was looking at Josef on stream the other day on 4 Up for Match. It's kind of like it was good. It was good. It was like on his own. I don't know why you were like alone.
Yeah, I
was
took it
good. It
over
was
for
like-
2 days. Yeah.
Yeah, that was
What
great.
happened?
That was a great stream.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
What
That's great.
happened?
The hosts they were traveling, so I took over first, I think Wednesday New York session, AM, and Thursday was PM session.
Oh, for PFM?
Yeah.
Nice. I actually started on PFM. Zach is one of my first coaches. Or well,
Yeah.
he wasn't my first coach. He was my last coach. He's the one that got me profitable.
Ah, nice. Yeah, it's really good.
Zach is amazing. But yeah, we were like chatting a little bit about London. There was a bunch of, I guess, like all of everybody was out in London.
Mm.
There you go, guys. There's your code. So, what about this trade, y'all?
Man, I hope you don't get your pullback.
Oh my God! Please don't.
I mean, we took the IB high here, and now we're retracing.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
and the retracement actually doesn't look that good, but it's like a 7-minute.
What's your stop, Angel?
I'm at
Which-
break even 375. Yeah, if it goes there, I'm out of the trade. But that's my fault
Okay.
because I wanted to add some in.
ES should hold here. I think we get it. It will just be choppy. How does the 50?
Yeah, we're about to head on the 1050 macro, so we can expect something out of it. Let's see. Where's ES? We're kind of like inversion a daily gap, I think, on ES. So I guess, are we going higher? We don't know.
Yeah, I think so.
Here I was about to full port long it. Now I feel like I shouldn't.
Now we're setting up on a big range. In the game chat on EA Discord. All right, where's Bushido message that helps everyone trying to join or giveaways?
Yeah, so pretty simple, guys. If you want to join the giveaway, you have to have an account on e8markets.com. You have to sign up, verify yourself, and then once you're verified, you can go into the settings and connect your Discord. And yeah. Once you connect your giveaway thing or your Discord thing, you can join the giveaway thing. Also, thanks, guys. We have 180 people tuning in from X and 50 people on YouTube. If you haven't already, drop us a like under the video on YouTube because we so appreciate it. That helps us keep going and obviously do the giveaways daily, which we do, all for you guys. And if you're here with us now, utilize the chat. Come in.
Yes.
Say hello. Tell us where you're from. And yeah.
We get giveaway accounts whenever we have a like. So 1 like, 1 giveaway account. But that's for the future. We don't give away all the accounts in the same day. So please, guys, if you want to see more giveaways. It's getting boring.
This is one of those days you look back and you're like, oh, like this is clean price action. But right now it feels so unsteady to me. Like I see my clear targets above, but something's telling me that it's not going to get there.
Yeah, it's kind of choppy.
It kind of makes me feel like easy, but I feel like once the day's over, I'm going to look back and be like, oh, you were just like scared for no reason.
I will say 950 to 1010 macro was good because we have the tap on the 5 minute and then we have like the IFVG, and that trade is like it's like a 2-hour kind of thing trade. Oh my god, I'm out, by the way, guys. I'm out of the trip. Yep, I'm out at break even right there.
Since you got the liquidity, it should reverse now. It should go to TP.
Yeah, it should. It's liquidity sweeping. I'm telling you guys, I cannot place a trade like that.
Liquidity.
Watch it go to TP now. Watch she has bounce here and we go to TP.
I need to make you a song. And the song is going to be about how you are the liquidity.
Yeah, do it. Josef, aggressive.
Yes, man, I need some magnets.
All right.
He needs to put just more magnets. That's what Josef needs at this point. All right, if Josef wins the trade and hits take profit, we'll do something.
I get 10K. Okay. Yeah.
For the audience. You already got your trade though. Yeah, I mean there's nothing better than that.
That's true.
You're trading a profit.
But man, this is the worst when you're right before TP and then it starts reversing and maybe chopping and it takes another hour to go to.
Yeah, that's the hardest to sit through.
Yeah. Do we have someone SMG?
But that's the part. It's like, you know what? If you're sitting in your trade and it gets almost there and then it doesn't hit, it's like your trade was valid. You can't be upset about yourself, so you just kind of gotta deal with it.
Yeah, that's true.
Let me see. So
let's see, where did you get stopped? Angel 7.
No.
I told you. You see, I told you, man.
Don't you? Yeah, it's my fault. It's because I add in, and then I got like. But if it goes right after this one, I'll be so upset. Like what? but I'll take it.
Doji
All right, guys.
bounces, and here we go.
200 people from the chat here. 239 people. Head over to YouTube. Hit the like button. See Joseph hitting take profit thanks to his magnets right here.
Woo!
And then
We're
we can
getting a pump right now on Bitcoin. What are you guys doing over there? Is it moving up or? All right. So.
Yes.
Just 1 second.
Close below your target. I have an idea. What if we choose someone from the audience? We gave them like a chart and a quick setup for like 2-3 minutes. And if the trader hits take profit, he's getting a free account. Is that a good idea?
No.
No? I mean, it's solid though.
Absolutely not. I feel like you're going to have a bunch of people on here trying to full port their accounts. They're going to lead people in the wrong direction.
No. I mean, we're going to just do the charting and they have to say it on the chat. They have to type on the chat the idea. It's going to pick only one person from the chat and he needs to type the idea. And it's going to be like a quick trade.
I once got into like some rando's live stream and I was just like calling all the moves while this guy was just shredding his account. And the first one that I put, he like acknowledged it, but then after that he wouldn't acknowledge any of my messages. But all I was doing, because people were talking to me in the chat too, they were like, oh, like, okay, what's your entry? And then I'd tell them, what's your exit? Then I'd tell them. And like he stopped acknowledging my messages and he was just destroying his own account. And then I'm just sitting there like typing like all of my entries. And I'm like, I need to have a live stream, but here we are. Ha ha ha. Song description.
Now we need someone to mess up with you in the chat.
Go.
Doing the same thing.
Right? I mean, Bushido's here enough that he's probably called some of my, like, faded me and probably won some of those, right? I would assume so. Song description, Imam Ogle.
Sometimes I feel like trading is kind of like boring, you know, doing the same thing every day and then trying to waiting. So when you get like that boring point, it's kind of boring, you know.
Yeah, I don't really have that issue. I feel like it feeds my ADHD if I am that.
Well, then ask how you have to teach me how to do it, because it feels like sometimes it feels like, oh my god, I need to do the same thing every day and then wait until it happens. And if it doesn't happen, it's like then I had to force it. Of course, I'll feel like I had to force it because it's not happening, and that's why it's boring, though. But getting into that point is actually interesting because
you're gonna be okay.
Yeah, I mean, doing it for fun. That's all you need, and of course, doing it with risk management. It's not like just doing it for fun. It's like full pouring. I don't like the CPI method. I'm not sure if you guys have done that before. What about you, Joseph?
No, never.
Never?
I mean, I've full-ported accounts, but not CPI.
Is this CPI method? You guys trying to like trade it with buy and sell stops during the news? That's
never.
Yeah, that's to me is like.
Oh, I did it once.
You did it once? It worked?
Yeah, it worked. It doesn't work every time. I got lucky.
No, it doesn't work every time. I'm sure about it, but
Yeah,
it's kind of like
would not recommend.
would not recommend. There are people that actually recommend doing it.
I mean, the concept is pretty basic. You know, it's like if your high is at 29,000 and your low's at 28,500, you're targeting like that area, and then you're putting a stop slightly above 29,000. So if it just pumps, that it closes you out pretty quickly, and then if it dumps, that it closes you out pretty quickly. Yeah, we are gonna sit here and chop.
Yeah, hopefully we can take that high, because if you look at the hourly, we're setting up a new gap on the hourly time frame. I don't want to see that happen.
I mean, this 5 minutes should push higher now. If this should push lower, that's unlikely.
Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. We should push higher from here. Add some more magnets. Add some more magnets to it.
Or contracts. What should I do?
Contracts.
If you
don't change your entry.
The entry is good because I don't want to see this low get taken, to be honest. So I could also trade my stuff to break even in this case.
Guys, I'm gonna mute this for a second. Actually, I'm making Angel's song real quick.
Okay.
I'll be back in 30 seconds. Okay, like
do it.
Be right back.
Yeah, this is looking nice.
Yeah, this should push higher.
Yeah, it looks nice, because if you look at the 1 minute, we're probably gonna put in the new setup right there.
Yeah.
At 1050 macro, so we should know from here.
So I often use also these volume bars here, because when you have this big red candle with high volume, the next candle is like a fake move, you know, like this kind of manipulation.
Yeah, 100%.
So
if not, Joseph, I'm thinking that we could retrace to the new hourly gap that we had, where it's just setting up. So we will see.
Yeah, that's true.
All right. Now let me see if I can get this downloaded into the thing while we're live. Let's see how functional StreamYard is. Okay. I think you're gonna like it.
Please tell me that you have put like some house, at least some house right there.
Yeah.
I like it. They all like it.
You guys ready for the premiere? This is a brand new song. It's called Liquidity, and Angel's Liquidity. Yes. Okay. Let's get in here. Hold on, wait. Okay.
What? What do you mean? Actually. That's a banger right there. Yeah?
Yeah.
It's a banger right there.
Man, you need to put it in your bio, Angel Liquidity.
Yeah, listen, I'm doing a clip with that music on the back, 100%, while I'm trading.
Let me tell you the lyrics real quick. Okay. The lyrics.
I love this song, Abby. We need this daily. Really, please, guys. Please respect.
They came for me. Oh, they came for me. Sweep me up so easily. Hold up. Feel the building now. Here it comes. Liquidity. Swept me up and left without me. That's so funny.
Guys, I don't know how should I feel after this. But it's good. I'll take it. GG's. Good.
Speaking of how to feel about things, how's you guys' trade looking?
It looks.
Yeah. You want to know my honest opinion?
Yes.
Yeah.
Tell me.
Well, I've been saying it since earlier. But actually, we're actually getting to a point right now where we're about to engage the New York. So let's see if it holds resistance and holds your stop. That's a good little reaction to it.
Yeah, I'm still pretty confident. I keep my stop here at this 5-minute S&D, and let's just let it be.
Do you see how we like perfectly touch this? So snuggly. All right, that's a little too crazy. Little too crazy for me. Let's switch it up. I don't know what any of these songs are. I made them so long ago. Oh yeah, okay. That one was special. I made that one really special. I might look for a long now. A close above this little M1. I might be down for.
This looks good for longs, definitely.
Yeah, so we literally touched this area, and if we can get a closure, a closure above this little area, then we don't really have anything else until we get to the highs. So I would target, there, and my stop would be like somewhere under there, the opening range low.
1 minute close, right? Yeah.
Meanwhile, let's see what this little Bitcoin thing is doing. Ooh, it played out. It's playing out without me. These are the ones that I'm like, should I just full for it short? Because I missed it.
A little revenge trade never hurts.
A little revenge trade never hurts. I like that. Now, if this wants to go and close below here, you might have a little issue.
Yeah, I don't know what
together.
NQ is doing.
We're gonna retrace the hourly, I guess.
Yeah, we could see a tap into the hour at the open maybe and then go higher. I mean, I still don't think we will retrace like all the way. But in this market, we never know.
He said, yeah, I was waiting for this pullback as well, Abby. Silly boys. Hee hee hee. Put some magnets under stop loss. Reverse psychology. Okay, so here's my other thing. If we can't hold resistance and we just smash through these areas, we're coming now. Because this is still an 80% setup. It could be engaged by the end of the day, 80% of the time. Obviously, that's a lot of weight to be selling off, though. So that's what I'm looking for. Either closure above here, and then I'm long, or if we don't, and we just come down here, then I'll start looking for short entries.
I think we could. 1 minute.
Joseph, are you more of like a longs only, shorts only, or everything?
Everything, but honestly, I like longs way more.
Okay.
And like in this market, yeah, I haven't taken many shorts in this last 2 months, to be honest.
60% of the time, it works every time.
You can also say 90% of the time it works every time.
Yeah.
10% of the time it works all the time.
Angel, how about you go short and place your stop at the highs?
Yes. And then
I mean, the only issue with that is like that high is so close to the 4-hour gap that it feels like it could be liquidity. But if I do that, it means that you guys can win your trade, right? Okay.
Yeah, you already liquidity. That's what I said.
Hold my beer for a second.
So it is 100% win, right?
You sacrifice yourself, and we make some money.
Trading 69. This is the short that I was looking at on Bitcoin. I don't know what happened here, but yeah, I'm looking for those to get swept. It did. Here, I think I was on the 15-minute. I think I marked it out on the 15-minute. Yeah, it touched into this area, and then I did initially get short. I was just covering my losses. So unfortunately, not still in the trade. But yeah, I could.
You might get your long on NQ.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's very nice. So here's the other thing. Now that this is so close, I need to see a proper closure above this to feel good about this long. If this was like up here, I'd be like chill. But this is also a level that either holds as support or resistance, and so I shall wait. Patience.
Patience. You know what's funny? If this one now plays out and it goes to take profit and hit that high, my initial stop is still getting respected.
Yeah.
So going break even is for the week. No, I'm joking.
I got a notification from Coinbase. What do we think it says? That everything's up or everything's down?
I think it says you're getting blasted.
All right, chat.
Right?
Does it say everything's up or everything's down?
Let me do a poll.
Do a poll. I'm gonna move my camera down so I can sit more effectively. Let's just get it in the. We don't need the poll. Just tell us in the chat, guys. Somebody said margin call. I don't trade margin. I know that.
Margin call.
Everything is a good
That's
idea,
a good one.
except for
Yeah, that's a
margin.
good one.
All right, we're about to get this closure above. Oh, yeah, that looks good to me. Where is my account? Bye.
Here we go.
All right, your trade's in, Joseph. I believe in it now.
Yes.
So
you never believed me?
It's not that I didn't believe you. The answer was that Troll is up 277% since I invested. So, for anybody who said I'm cooked, you're wrong.
So you're not cooked?
I am not cooked. We are not.
Coinbase, you're cooked. This is good. Imagine if you get this. Coinbase, you're cooked on an email. All right, we should do that. That's actually a beautiful email to get. You're cooked.
Whenever you blow an account at eMarket, you get this email. You're cooked.
You get this email. You're cooked. Oh my god, that's funny.
All right, we gotta call the CEO. Invite him to the call today. Hey man, can we send out emails that say you're cooked? It said Troll is up 267%, but you shorted YouGoober. No, I didn't short. I still own some. I actually was tipped off by someone for that, and I purchased not much, like 10,000 shares of it, and then it went up 3x, and then I sold half of it, and I told the person who told me to sell half of it. They didn't. Instead, I think they bought more, increased their price, and then now it's sitting below their entry or above their entry. And it like, or wait, hold on, what below their entry? So if their entry was like 8 cents, then it's sitting at like 5 right now. I didn't lose anything. I made money. Did you just get in a trade, Angel?
Nope, because there's no re-entry for me. I would love to get a re-entry to take that long, but there's none. Like, there's nothing on the 1 minute for me to frame a long. And if it goes to TP, I'll be happy for you guys.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna do this. Hold on. Where is it? Can you guys hear that?
Yep.
Yes.
Okay. Nice. Oops. Okay, I'm sorry.
I'm gonna lower the music just a bit. All right, what's happening? Let's go. While this trade is like doing its thing,
yeah, it's beautiful.
Do you want to send me a list of names for the giveaway?
Yeah, let's run it. In the name of Joseph, we're gonna do a beautiful giveaway today.
Somebody said Angel's song, please.
Okay, we have a lot of entries.
I don't like that one. It was like a little crazy. I feel like it could be, let's see. Let me modify it.
All right, guys, remember after this stream, we're gonna head up to Discord because I'm gonna run a stream picking up the World Cup prediction winners with marbles. So it's gonna be fun. We'll hang out for a second right there. So you guys can go there. If you participated on the Discord prediction for the World Cup, you can get an account. And you could be one of the winners as well. So it's not only the giveaway from YouTube. We also have the giveaway on the Discord. FYA. The break even of Joseph is so ghost. Which break even? He's not break even. I was break even.
I think he means my average entry.
Oh, okay.
Because this is at this low, I guess.
Good morning, AD.
The lyrics to the pre-chorus for your song, Angel. He doesn't know he's the bait in the water. He doesn't know he's the one they're hunting for. He's the liquidity. The price comes down just to visit him. Shakes his hand, takes a stop, and says goodbye. Then it runs without him to the sky. He's the liquidity. Swept clean off the board. Never ask him why.
Oh, wow. Okay, I guess we're liquidity sweeping right there, guys.
Yeah, you are. You're the liquidity sweep.
So this looks good.
Yeah, it looks really solid. I like the 5-minute close that we have, and now the next candle that is printed looks
I added
solid.
one here to...
You keep adding in, which is crazy.
Yeah,
Let him cook.
I like what I see. I always with micros I do that because
Maybe I'll add into
Feels like I need some coffee.
Feels like I need a hot beverage because I'm losing my voice again.
Like a hot tea? Like chai latte?
I just had a chai latte, actually. I finished it.
Your voice. Yeah, hold on. That's my song, right?
No,
That's
this
my
is
song.
not your
No,
song.
isn't. That one is cute, and that one is yours too, I think.
That's just like my song. Hold on.
So we have pretty much 6 micros running right there for Joseph, right? We have an entry at the 5-minute close. We have an add-in at the 5-minute close when we took out the high. Then we have an entry at the 5-minute pullback. It's just solid though. $271 people, guys, and only 12 likes. Are you guys kidding?
What's going on?
Hit the like button. We actually have 41 likes, but what are you doing?
I'm just revising your song. Why does it say downloads are not available? I like put my heart and soul into this.
Yeah, it looks good. Bushido, I don't take that. Bushido says that he can only like the video one time. You have to find a way to make to
Make it an account.
Yeah. No, I mean going down people. Internet Explorer. What? What is this?
What are we doing?
Well, that was a crazy session, but to be fair, we had a distribution out of the open, right? How many points? 400 points out of the opening. So this is good.
Oh, we're still golden on this trade.
Yeah, I think this looks good. I mean, I would like that it comes down here again, but the S is strong. I think he has could pull us high.
Yeah, it looks fine.
Yeah.
All we did was kind of go back down and retest that view up. So I'm feeling fine about it. It's pretty normal.
Yeah, this looks good.
Yeah, magnets are working.
Yeah, I like the 50-minute too.
Yeah, it's looking solid. Yes, it looks like it's leading. Looks completely better, but yeah, it's following. There you go.
Yeah, it's good. Next candle should push us.
Well, there is a song that says BOC below. What is that, Abby?
Don't be messing with the songs. Some of the songs are really bad. I haven't really got into them, but
there's a BWAP song as well.
Yes, I know. I made lots of songs.
BWAPs.
I'm trying to remake your song right now.
Is it a remix?
It's an original.
Okay.
But yeah, one second.
Point of control. So that's a POC one.
I mean, this 50 minutes should get us our TP.
Why is it saying that I can't download these?
I hate when it's just that slow, you know? It's like that closer to take profit. It's like, come on.
Yeah.
Do something.
If we come back down, like to where my entry is, I'm gonna break even because I don't want it to come down again. Like
I also don't.
Huh?
Yeah, this should not come back to here.
Yeah, to that low, exactly.
We have a 1 hour here, but still, this should not. Because then it will take even if it hits TP, it will take like ages when it comes down again.
Yeah, there's no reason it should be coming back down.
Yeah.
Unless it was just sit here and just kind of like chop its way up. I could see it doing that too. I don't know. I just this is kind of what I expected today.
Like a chop. I mean, yeah, it's the end of the month, so.
I never think about when it is in the month.
Well, at the end of the month, you'll probably see like a choppy day, like sloppy market conditions kind of thing. So Joseph, in this case, let's talk about the first trade, the first execution. Was on the 5-minute close, right? And you were kind of like protecting the low of the gap.
Here, yes. This entry here and then stop loss down here, yeah.
Yeah, there was no need to tap on the gap because you knew that pretty much you were going to go higher. That low or that part of the candle should be protected pretty much.
Yeah, I like the close, like the strong close above basically this London high here. And whenever we close above these levels, especially we had also had this SMT down here. And I was bullish the whole day, like this first high was my target. And I also expected the monthly candle to create an even bigger wick to the downside, like that we push higher today. I think also we will close like bullish, maybe chop around up here. So I was waiting for longs the whole day, and once we got this 5-minute close, but I always wait for the close, then I got in here. Here, I think we swept with 1 tick or something this first day high, and then once we tapped the 5-minute, I added again. And I just do this, of course, with micros. Here, this was a 1-minute, the same with your entry, right, where we tapped the 5-minute, I think. Yeah, 5-minute. Was in here. Yeah, just usually when I'm so confident in my target and my stop loss allows it, then I add into the trade. Let's.
Yeah.
30.
I got tagged. I'm out, but I don't know if I see this going. Not worth hanging in it.
Did you add, like, what was your entry like?
My entry was down at like 63, but I put it like $100 in profit. Okay. If it comes back down and it engages that again, it just kind of makes it a little less relevant to the trade. It just looks a little worse. Makes it a less of a setup. It could still go, but the probability is just a little lesser.
I hope if it should go to DP that it will go to DP soon, and not just.
I hope for you that it does too.
Yeah, we need that. We gotta click that take profit because that's you know what you need more magnets.
It's so close, like.
Yeah, it's so close.
No,
That's
I
why it
think
needs more
So
magnets.
Full port long.
It should.
There you go. Add more magnets. Yes, baby. There we go.
There we go. It's
What I'll
moving.
be doing today, I'll be hitting a nice little inversion trade, calling tops, riding the whole move down.
The rocket.
The elevator. If it can make it.
I mean, in this case, I would just move it to this low. Yeah.
So what you mean I'm watching candles? Huh?
What?
I'm just listening to the song. Like I'm watching candles. I'm watching green candles, and then liquidity. Oh yeah.
Let's run it back.
Ooh, that's a banger right there, Abby. Sadly, I'm the reason of that song, but I'll take it. All right, let's run the giveaway. I'm ready. I'm ready.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure at the end of the giveaway, you're probably just gonna be hitting take profit, hopefully, so we can all just go away really, really happy with a beautiful session. We're 300 people here today. Thanks everyone for joining.
Yes, thank you, people. You lovely, delightful humans.
You guys love Josef. That's why they're here. They love Josef. There you go.
So.
Take a position real quick on my boy Bitcoin. I wonder if this will just like slide. It ends up taking those lows if it could just and slide. Okay. Well. I'll tell you guys now the way to collect. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go to my Discord. You're gonna DM me from the username of the winner. And
Yaka. There you go. Let's do a duck race and then a fortune wheel.
Yeah, so let me know your email and whether you want to trade futures or Forex, and we'll get the accounts over to you. Wow, this is lagging so hard. Let me try to close some windows. Stand by, team, for we are moving slow.
$39 names pulling right out of the list. The one with the fastest dock is gonna get a beautiful account.
How many seconds? How many minutes?
I'm feeling like 60 seconds is fair for Tuesday, Taco Tuesday.
Is it Tuesday or Thursday?
I don't know, but today is Tuesday, so we can actually make it like Taco Tuesday presented by Josef.
All right, well, Angel, I wasn't asking you. I was asking Joseph. Joseph, how are you?
Okay. All right, Joseph.
I thought Angel is talking, so I thought.
Just say 60 seconds.
No,
it's up
yeah.
to you.
Don't let him pester you into saying 60 seconds. You say
No,
whatever.
let's make it 2 minutes because then my TP maybe hits. So,
All right. It is 200 set. Hopefully my computer doesn't crash before this point, but
yeah, 2 minutes is crazy. We're gonna be here forever.
yeah, for some reason this program or this website must be so ad filled that it won't let me mute it. Please mute. Here we go. Yeah, it like lags hardcore, but I'll let the duck race begin. Let's see, what can I get rid of right now? I guess I'm done trading. Yeah, I'm done trading this PS. Oh no, not it going against me. I mean, that looks better for you. This one can go. What did I start off with today? I think like 4,400. So I'm up 500-600 on the day. Like 700. All right, back to the duck race. The only thing that matters. We're not here to trade. We're here to race.
Come
All right,
on, 1 minute for TP. Come on.
It'll happen when you least expect it. Maybe on that 8 handle, though.
Yeah. Maybe my stop hits when I don't expect it.
No. Nah, I think it'll play out.
Yeah, this looks.
Yeah, same.
It's
Pretty
just
good.
taking its time. All right, guys, we have 301 viewers. 261 of you guys are joining us on X, and thank you so much for being here with us on X. But you'll get the full experience and be able to do giveaways if you come over to the YouTube. You can also find all of our socials, Joseph's everything down below in the description of the YouTube. And if you're here with us already and you haven't, go ahead and like the stream. That allows us to be here with you Monday through Friday for the New York Market Open. And that also allows us to be able to do these duck races, which is frozen. Whoa! By a landslide. Tizo 4673 W's in the chat for Tizo. Tizo, the way to collect. I hated every second of that. The way go ahead and DM me on Discord. You'll find that in the description box of our YouTube. And yeah, just let me know what is your email for E8 Markets and what would you like to trade, Forex or futures, and we can get that over to you. Speaking of which, do you want to, here, let's pull up your chart.
There you go. If I could add more magnets to this trade, I will add. Sadly, I cannot add magnets to Josef's chart, but I will. Henry.
Maybe one big one, like really.
Yeah, Henry is here, Josef.
All right. Let's see. What is it that my brain?
my man, Henry. What's up, man?
This is Giga Chad, Market Wizard, with a disco mic. I like that. Discord. Let's go to Discord and see whom it is. On the 24th. On the 24th. Okay. one of our beautiful, humbly, lovely, sweet viewers sent me a post. It says, "Folks looking for a female content creator, needs to be a trader. Relocation package is included." Tee.
What?
Yeah, they sent. One of our viewers sent me a screenshot of somebody's story for another platform and said that they're looking for a female trader and they're offering a relocation package.
Looking for a female.
I know that.
Okay.
Prop firm. See, everybody's trying to be like me. Trying to be female and trader. They probably saw our stream and they want to like replicate it.
I'm not saying it. I'm not the one saying it. I identify as a female trader. Okay. you I think you can do that in 2026, Bushido.
Yeah.
I mean, Angel identifies as liquidity. You can be a female trader, whatever you want to be.
Yeah, that's about right. Clipper, please. That's right.
I Angel identify as the liquidity.
Oh my God! There's no way I'm the joke today, guys. But I'm happy though. I'm having fun.
Yo, this BS.
He's gonna let it cook. Let him cook. He's gonna hate TP though.
Honestly, I don't know. I think
He's
you
gonna hate.
take your profit and move on.
What do you mean is that? I mean, what do we need? 40 points. There you go. So we can end the stream. Where's the echo on it?
40 points. Yeah.
I don't like either of those, Bushido. Yeah, guys, I don't know how to share my Discord. It's just my name. And definitely don't message me on there, otherwise I'll just have to block you and then you won't be able to run future giveaways. Just saying. Just kidding. Okay, so how do you invite people to, or like, I don't even know. I'm somewhere. I'll have to figure it out. Your invite link works for 30 days. How about it just work forever and then we never have to worry about this again? Here's this. In the chat. You'll be able to find me through there. Wee wee wah wah. Your patience, Joseph, is just impeccable.
Can't do anything on stream. I need to be calm.
You can do whatever you want.
Like on that TP, I'm like 100% sure, but the delivery is. I mean, we had this big move at the open, right? So
yeah,
chop is expected.
Totally.
But I think like we will like go higher and then maybe chop here. Because I don't think. Well, I think the monthly candle wants this big lower wick.
Yeah. Well, let's see.
But I never closed before TP, other than if something I really don't like.
No, there you go. That's a beautiful way to finish your stream.
The next candle should.
So that is the IB high.
Mm.
Now, if it were to reject the IB high again.
No, it won't.
No, I won't. I won't.
This will
Listen,
push
listen.
now.
But
Just
if it
5 minutes
did.
then we need to stay on another hour.
No. That's how we do right there. Let him cook.
No, it will be support. Come on, it touches it. Now it will.
Let him cook. That's how we do. Monday to Friday, guys.
Yes, is room to 4, 5, 4, 7. So I mean, we have an SMT.
That smiley face next to it.
But only if you hit TP, otherwise it's.
Are you in funded?
No, it's just evaluations. 1 funded and some evaluations, but my 15 fundeds I already locked out after London today. So this is just 1 funded and I think 1 evaluation with E8 markets.
Hashtag E8 markets. Yeah. I'm sorry, I keep moving around. I'm in so much pain, just like existing. Not that anybody asked, but not that anybody said anything about the fact that I've moved like 18 times.
Yes.
Hey guys, if you're with us on stream, drop a like.
Yes.
Let's see how many we have. Let's see if I get to walk away happy today or sad.
Yes.
You just keep saying yes. Okay, I'm not mad about it.
Yes. Until Josef hate that take profit, I'll only say yes. Yes.
I would just close it.
I mean.
Like, look, everybody go mark this up. Go mark this up on Mark it up exactly how it is. We're gonna get off stream now. And we're gonna know whether or not it hit your TP or it hit your stop loss. And then everybody go to his ex and bully him if he didn't take profit. Like you're
That is
still there.
100%.
You're there. Cardix, you're a little late to the giveaway, but I'm going to explain to you so you can come back tomorrow and you can be a part of it. So, first, you're going to create an account with E8 Markets, and then you're going to verify yourself on E8 Markets so that we know you're a real human. And once you've verified yourself on E8 Markets, you can connect your Discord, and then you can be a part of our giveaways Monday through Friday. Sometimes I feel like I have to speak like really like clean, proper English so that people can, because like everybody's coming in here tuning in from different countries, you know, like you don't want to speak to them really like bad or like ghetto the way that sometimes I like talk and I'll be like slurring my words and stuff. It's kind of natural for me. Very relaxed speaker, and they probably don't know what I'm saying.
Yes.
I also sound
All right.
extremely congested. Sorry. Bruh.
Yeah, literally. Just type there on the chat, bruh. With a big H on it.
Let's see what's further in the distance.
All right, guys. Remember, after this stream, we're heading over to Discord that I'll be giving away accounts for the World Cup prediction winners. So we don't have only this giveaway today. We have the Discord giveaway. Thanks. Yes.
On the one account, is there consistency?
There's a 40% consistency requirement for payouts.
Got it.
Yep.
Noted.
Come on.
10, 9, 8, wait, 8, 9, wait, 9, 10, 11, 12. So like meetings in an hour? What is this meeting? I wasn't notified of a meeting. I don't even think I was supposed to be there.
It should be on your email.
Awfully quiet in here.
We're all kind of like that meme, you know, like, come on, do something. We're all in here like that. All right?
No.
Yeah, Bushido, take care, brother. Bye-bye.
Here trying to get you to take profit too.
No, I can't. I always hit TP or stop loss. I can't do
That's
it.
like the angel and that deep inside. Like, close it, close it, close it. All right, there you go. There you go.
Trust me, this will hit. It's just a matter of time.
Now you're so
100%
sure.
certain.
So sure now.
What did you do today? No, I was just staring at the chart for like 3 hours, watching the trade hitting take profit. Hard to explain, but it works most of the time.
All right, fam bams, I'm off of here.
You're off.
Yeah, my back hurts and I can't breathe. So.
All right, I will send you my TP.
Oh, you can stay.
Yeah, post it. I mean, you can post it on X once you hit TP.
Yeah,
Joseph,
guys, if you wanna,
we're all engaged with you.
want to see if he either takes $1,800 profit or gives it all away and says, "Don't worry about it. I don't need money." Then
Let's see.
go down to the the description below and go to his X. Follow up. It'll be posted there.
Yeah.
All right, y'all.
For sure. Thanks, guys.
Thanks for coming. Good luck on
Yeah,
the
thanks,
stream.
Joseph.
I truly am rooting for you, although I did fade you on Bitcoin.
All
So-
good. We both win. We both win.
Yeah, hopefully we both win.
All
Mine's
right.
great though, so
Appreciate you guys. See you.
Take care, fam. I'll catch you all tomorrow.
yes.
Oh, on
Double-
Discord. See you on Discord. Dollars in the chat for Joseph and
W's in the
Abby.
chat for Joseph and Angel.
Have a good one. Bye.
Bye, guys.